never let a shorty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough. I'm talking slick back, kick back, gang sipping 40s. You keep playing that mirror day with your shorty. Mismatch bitch, that was wet, boy, you know me. Got a lot of love, and you better shake for me. We play games of love to avoid the depression.
Okay, hi my people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? I've come in slightly late, but I'm so happy that at least I found people here ready to get started. Yesterday, things did not go so well with the network, the internet, everything just turned out to be messed up. Let me believe that today is going to be a good day for us. Hi, how is everyone doing? Thank you so much for coming through. It's a beautiful day. Good to have you all. Good to have you. So let us get started. No wasting time. That is good love. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, let's go. How is everyone doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. So let us dive straight into it and we see how today we are going to perform. Let me see, that is Santos. Hi, Santos. How a beautiful day. So we are already into it. That is Teacher Lee. Hi, Teacher Lee. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you around. Good to have you. Yesterday, oh goodness, I don't even want to remember yesterday. I really don't want to. I don't want to remember it, but like I keep telling us, positivity flies us to greater heights. So let us keep it positive. Let us watch the market and we see how today is going to play about. So it's a Friday. It's a Friday already. Come through. Let me know what have you done for the day today. Us as traders, what have you done? How is it going on your end? How is everything over there? Come through. Let us share. Send in questions. Let us interact, and then we see how best to handle this market today. All we have to do is understand exactly what we have to do in the market, because remember, the market does not have emotions. All right, so what we have to do, master what we have to do good by it all, and then we definitely know how to carry out or how to get amazing fruits out of the market. Once you know what you have to do, once you definitely understand how you're supposed to handle the market, good things come out of it. All right, trust me. So that is one thing I can tell you. If you are a trader, a full-time trader, there are some people who are still learning, people are partially into the market. One thing I can encourage you, if you are putting in your whole, please put it all in. Truth be told, once you know how you're supposed to handle the market, how to go about it, You have a strategy, you know about risk management, you have a trading plan, and then you are disciplined, you're patient, it becomes so interesting, all right? So, consistency is one of the major factors. Do not trade today and then tomorrow you take a full week minus even looking at your charts. No, 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 it could not work that way. Consistency, we have a day to day looking at your charts, you know. Then also being consistent, we can look at it in a different way. If you have a setup plan, you have a particular strategy that you are using, do not use it today, then tomorrow abandon it, you know. Do not use it for 2 weeks, then abandon it, all right? First get used to it, first know the good things that can come out of it, instead of you just looking at it today and then tomorrow you abandon it. Stay consistent. First, stay consistent. That's why risk management is very important to you and to me, okay? So make sure that you are consistent in your trading, even if you are not going to actually carry out trades, but come on your charts, look at them, know exactly how to go about them. When Lina talks about the candlestick behaviors or how the candlesticks behave, what do we mean? How do I go about it? All right. When we talk about market structure, how is it? Okay. We talk about market direction. I see the market is moving up. I see the market is moving down. What forces it to go down? What forces it to go up? Like, understand those few things. Okay. In trading, actually, you do not need to look at 1,000 things. That is one thing I can encourage you by or I can tell you to look into. You don't have to look at 1,000 things. You do not have to have a lot of information. Have a few very important factors that can help you be a better trader. Not everything, not putting everything into the market. You will get confused for nothing. You will end up not being fruitful. Yet we are here to milk this market. We are here to get good out of the market. All right. So please keep it small but profitable. I think there is also that saying where they say I think a quality is better than quantity, something like that. So please make sure that you keep it small, but at the same time, it will be profitable, it will be fruitful to you. Okay, so over there I see Chinedu. Hi Chinedu, how are you doing? Today I'm doing great. Let me hope you are all okay over that side. Let me hope everything is going on well. Come through, share with me how has been your day. You guys, we started off this week, and right about now, we are moving and we are having today is a Friday actually. So, how has your week been? How is everything going in your trading life? How is everything? Come through, let us share. Tell me how it's all going, how it has all been, okay? Such that we see where to improve, where to congratulate you. All right. We are here and we are a team. Okay. Oh dear. That is a loss over there. Mhm. Okay. Let me try to watch the market closely such that I catch some beautiful entries over here. Join me. Let us watch the market together. Sunrise. Hi, Sunrise. How are you doing? Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. On my end, I'm doing great. How is everyone else doing over there? Guys, let me know how you're doing, how you're doing, how your day is going, how your week is going. Guys, today is a Friday, so that simply means we are coming to the close of this week. Actually, the week that has just started. It has just started, and boom, just like that, we are closing it off. All right. So that simply means us as traders, we also need to move fast because time is going very, very fast. Okay. So just imagine we were just from the weekend, and right now we are already into going into the weekend. So that simply means if you are to learn, if you are to become a full-time trader, if you are to become a profitable trader, that simply means you have to give in. You have to give in your whole, give it time. Give it time, even if it's a year, 2 years of learning. Keep being consistent. The way I might understand, I could take long to actually get and understand how the market works, how everything works. That's where risk management helps. But that does not mean that you spend a whole year on a demo account. That simply means you will not be progressing because, like the way I told you earlier on, trading on a demo makes it a bit simpler. I do not know, but I believe for the people that have traded both on the demo account and the real account can testify with me. There is a way that demo, I think it just makes you lazy or it just makes you, I do not know that feeling. But when you come to the real account and you are carrying out real trades, there is a way you will make that loss and then you will feel it because it is your own money. All right, you will feel it. So that simply means that you're going to sit down and analyze and know exactly, why did I make this mistake? Okay, why did I make a loss over here? And then there you will be pushed. You will be pushed to pay more attention, to look into the details and know exactly why things happened the way they did. So yeah, that is one of the things that I can tell you. And day in, day out, I will keep telling you, stay consistent. Let us keep riding together away from home. Okay, Godwin. Hi, Godwin. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you for yet another session. About yesterday, please pardon me. I The internet just decided to mess our amazing day, all right? So please pardon me on that. Pardon me on that. But let me hope today all is well on your end over there. Okay, so my beautiful people, I see that is Lack More over there. How are you doing? Your sister Lena is doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. It's a beautiful day and it's a Friday. Okay, so let us catch some beautiful moves over here, some beautiful entries. We cash out some money. Okay. So over there, observing the market, analyzing such that we plus in some entries. So far, the market, we are still at there. I'm still taking my time to try and understand. Beautiful. So over there, as you can see, we are in an uptrend and we have built a beautiful structure over there. Oh, okay. Okay, me love. Let us buy. Okay, I mean let us sell. Away from home, me love. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So as we can see over there, the sellers are like, no, we shall drag you down with us. Okay, so let us have it. And down in the ocean. One thing I've seen today is that if we are in the bullish or in the bearish, the structure is built in an amazing way, in an amazing way. So that is one thing that I've observed today. Okay. Every single day that you open your charts, there is always something new that you will observe, that you will understand from the market. But one thing I'm going to tell you, when you're carrying out these trades, all right, take time, take note for those entries that you make, and at least you close with profits. Please, that's why you need to be so observant and know what did you do that gave you that profit. Okay, so please, as you carry out your tradings, please make sure that you take note, you understand. Guess do not just do guesswork as you trade, all right, because that helps you know exactly what to do. And like I keep saying, there are very, very many entries, okay, there are very, very many opportunities in the market, but do not rush for each and every opportunity that you see. Some might just stop on the way. Others are definitely very, very amazing and so juicy for us. But if you are to enter into the market, timing is very, very important. I talk about it like so much because once everything is amazing, all right, all your factors are aligning, everything is good, but timing, you fail to get the right spot to enter and you enter immediately. If you fail to do that, you will find that you will close in a loss, and then you will keep asking yourself, I did all that I had to do, how come it closed in a loss? All right, so timing, very, very important. So, and then for anyone who is just new and you do not know what exactly is going on, what is Lena doing? Okay, so I'm trading on Pocket Options platform. That is a platform that I'm trading on, and I'm trading binary options. So as you can see, we are heading into the weekend. For some people will be like, but right now the market we are tending to closing the market, or even tomorrow you will see such questions. So when such questions come through, one thing you should know and one thing you should understand is the fact that I am trading OTC markets. OTC markets, they are open 24/7. I can trade throughout the week, throughout the weekend, and then also on public days, okay, on a public holidays, I have that opportunity to still enter into the market and make some cash for myself, all right? So that is it. You make me want to surrender my soul. Sing on my mind.
You make me wanna hold you till the morning light. You make me wanna love, you make me wanna fall, you make me wanna surrender my soul. I was thinking about her, thinking about me. Mm-hmm. Okay, Godwin says he is good. Okay, eagles fly. I see you over there. I see you over there. And I believe if it was recorded, I would not be able to respond to your message that you've just sent in. So I do not know. I do not know why you are throwing out some negative energy over here. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Friday. So please, 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 let us enjoy our day in peace. Let us have it. Okay. Okay, famous. Hi, famous. How are you doing? Good to have you. I've missed you. I've missed you. I've missed you. How have you been? My day is actually still going. My day is still going. It is still young. Okay, so I'm young into the day. All right. Okay. Let's go. It's a beautiful day, so let us have it.
Over there, I'm putting in a cell position. Let us see how we are going to close. Let's go. Okay. That simply means we still had an alignment over there. This might break your heart. Okay, that is Donnie. Hi, Donnie. How are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Yosamu. Hi, Yosamu. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. I see you all. I see you all. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining Yoga Lena over here. It's a Friday. So let us chat. Let us talk about it all. For as long as it's in our trading area, Lena has got you. Lena has got you. So come through. Let me see you come through. Send in a question or two. Let us chat. Let us talk about trading. Let us try to improve ourselves. Okay. After all, it is a learning session. So we come through, we learn a few things here and there, we share experiences, and then we see how to improve. So position here. We are still in a downtrend as we see. Okay, we are doing great. Let's continue upwards. Let us continue upwards and we'll see. No wasting time, guys. Okay. Doing our thing. Doing our thing. Let us keep it going. Okay. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Let me do the real one to me, yeah. Oh, I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. Okay, that is a perfect deep sleep Polly. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful name. What a beautiful name. So a perfect deep sleep Polly. All right, all right. What is the alligator indicator setting and the MACD setting you use? So both of them, that is the alligator and the MACD, I set them at default, all right? I set them at default. Both of them are at default, okay? I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one really rolling in the dawn. No, you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. Let me on real one, intimidate ya. Oh, I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Then we gonna keep out. When I met her in the club, I asked her who she felt. Booty on that Gucci belt. Okay, we are taking it one step at a time. Let's see. You're almost welcome. You're almost welcome. We are still in our first hour. That is where I have my personal tradings. That is the hour where we share. We talk about anything and everything that is in regards to trading, then also how we have spent our days, how we've spent our weeks, how everything is going. So this is the time when we talk about it all. So you're almost welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. This is Yoga Lena. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, wow. When we are in the market, we anticipate, right? We do not predict, but we just anticipate, okay? So over there, that is a buy position for me. Stephen, hi, Stephen, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are my people of Tanzania doing? That was a perfect one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. I am the one. I am the one for you. Okay, so you take time, watch the market, analyze, and then definitely you plus in your entries. Okay, Stefan over there. Tell me, talk to me. What are your weekend plans? What are your weekend plans? As definitely we got some beautiful entries over here. Let me see. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And definitely we have closed in a plus. Let us proceed. The sellers are still taking over the market. That is a beautiful one. No questions asked. You just know that is going to close in a plus. Okay, some beautiful momentum over here was built. All right. Beautiful bearish momentum was built. Anna Mbatha. Hi, Anna Mbatha. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Good to have you in the building. How is your day going? How is everything over there? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I don't know, but somewhere, somehow, I love your name, Anna Mbatha. Like Mbatha, anyways, I didn't know what it means, but it seems like an amazing name. Simple, short, and beautiful. Hmm? Good to have you in the building. Thank you for joining your girl Lena over here. We are taking it one step at a time. Let us see how it's all going to play out for today. It's a Friday, so we are looking forward to catching some beautiful entries, make some profits, stay happy. Okay, some beautiful bullish structure is built over here. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Okay, so that name, I'm trying to understand it. So is that pies? And it is pie. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. So I did not know if I pronounced it wrongly. If I have, pardon me, please. But good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining your girl Lena for today's session. How is your day going? How is everything going that side? Let us just try to enjoy the vibe. We enjoy the vibe, taking it one step at a time, watching the market, catching those beautiful, beautiful entries. We see an opportunity and we grab it. Okay, Eric. Hi, Eric. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining your girl Lena over here. It's a Friday, so definitely we need to make some money. Let us milk the market. All right. Wow. Come on, come on, come on. I'm at a party I don't wanna be at. And I don't ever wear the tie. Wondering if I can sneak up the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eye. Take my hand. Okay. There is some time when I was telling you about those small formed candles. So as you can see on the chart over there, whenever you are experiencing those small candles, be conscious. You should be so active, all right? Sometimes you find that there we are experiencing, or we are in the consolidation state. So both the buyers, the sellers are trying to fight who is taking it, who is staying in the market, who is getting thrown out, you get. So if you have not gotten a clear direction of where the market is moving to, it's okay to hold on. It's okay not to trade in that particular moment, right? It's okay to hold on. It's okay to let that phase pass and then place in your trades at a time where you fully understand what is going on in the market. And like we know very well, when we see that we are in an uptrend, definitely we as binary options traders, we trade with a trend. So if we are in an uptrend, please, you can buy, because that clearly shows we are having all the buyers are in control of the market. All right, then if we are in the downtrend, the sellers are in control of the market. So please, we trade with a trend. Do not try to. Ooh, this is a beautiful one. It's a beautiful one. Okay, so that is Parul. Hi, Parul. Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Good to have you. You're new here. You're most welcome. Good to have you. I'm Lena, and I trade every day, Monday to Monday, and I start off at 3 p.m. That is a Canadian time. So like and subscribe. Let us keep it here each and every single day. Always, if you are beginner, if you are someone who has been trading and you're trying to learn, we always come here to learn, to catch some tips on how to trade, share different experiences, because what you're going through, what you are having as a trader, could be different from what I went through. So if I share with you, and then you as a new trader, you might see something that you could pick out of it. So that is what we share here. You come through. If you have a question about trading, why not share? All right, you share, and then you make sure that you do good by yourself. Okay, so Eagles Fly, for the time that you have been here, if you do not know that we have YouTube time lag, then I don't know how to respond to you. Okay, so you know very well that there is always a time lag, okay, a YouTube time lag. So you find that that's why I keep saying we are here to learn. I cannot be trading and you are also trading with me, okay, because of that YouTube time lag. So come here, get some knowledge, understand a few things that you can improve in your trading. Go home, practice them, try them out and see, all right? Instead of wanting to put a situation, just try to learn a thing or two, send in a question, let us learn. That's why you see it is an educational, it is an educational channel. It is the sessions that I always have, they are educational. So that is it. Okay. Yep. At least for the people that are learning and benefiting from the sessions, know exactly what to do. Okay. They know about the lagging and they come through to learn, not to trade with me. Okay. Mm. Okay, so let me get that such that we get started off with our donations. Mm, mm. Okay, Anna, I see you over there. Hope you're good. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. So, okay, so that is 350 US dollars one attempt. Okay, so guys, we are into the donations right now. But one thing I can tell you, and one thing that I've been telling you guys, make sure that when you are sending in your donations, make sure to send in something that you are willing to lose, because you and me, we know about the market. We know how the market behaves, all right? We cannot control the market. So please make sure that you do not send in your last savings, all right? Please, 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 please. That is a humble request. Risk management, very, very important as we proceed with our sell position over here. Okay, beautiful. So that is for our first participant in the donations, and we close in a plus. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we have closed in a plus. That is for Frederick. Okay, so for the people, oh, I was still saying that for the pocket option link is in my bio. Okay, then the donations link as well, Telegram link as well. So for the Telegram link, if you want to chat with me, if you want to communicate with me, please, that is where we can chat. For someone who wants to send in a donation, the donations link is also over there. I have terms and conditions, all right? So you go through them, understand, and then it is your own decision, all right? It's your own decision to send in a donation or not to. Then also the pocket option for someone who might want to have an account with pocket option. Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, so hi Pius, how are you doing? Good to have you for yet another session. So what time frame? Okay, so for the chat time frame, that is 15 seconds. The expiration time, 15 seconds still. Then for the candles, that is 5 seconds. So that's how I roll, all right? Okay, so for Frederick, that is Tether Wallet. Lucan, 350 US dollars, one attempt. Okay. Oh, Pius, I've gotten back to you. You did not get me. I'll say that is 15 seconds for the oof. Our first attempt, we have made a loss. Let us give it one more try and we see. One more try, one more try. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so Pius, like I said, that is 15 seconds for that chart time frame. Then for the candle is 5 seconds. Expiration time 15 seconds as well. Okay, so Raphael is in the building. Hi, Raphael. How are you doing today? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you around. Good to have you. Good to have you. Blessing. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you. Ooh. Oh dear. That's not good at all. Not good at all. So for our second try as well, we have made a loss. Not good at all. Okay, blessing, blessing, I see you. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing with me that beautiful, beautiful sunflower over there. Subra, I see you. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. I'm just singing your music. Ooh, all right. Let's go. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Prakit, hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Today it looks like people of one attempt are so many in the building. Let's go. So that we close in a plus. People are trying to manage their risks, you know. We have some people who always come through 6 attempts, 5 attempts, but I'm looking at some people like Silk. People are trying to manage their risks, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. So we close in a plus over there. Let me withdraw. Okay, Prakit, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good to have you. Thank you for always clocking in. Thank you for always checking in. I'm so happy to see you. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. I need a girl like you. Mm-hmm. Blessing, it's a simple Friday, but why not vibe to it? So let's go, let's go, let's go. Mhm. Okay, just something small over here. Then I withdraw sales profits. Okay, hi David. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you around. Good to have you around. Hope you're doing amazing. How is your day? How is your day going? Oh, David, this is a pocket option. This is pocket option. I go like you, yeah, yeah. I go like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I go like you. Okay, Oslave next. That is 350 US dollars, two items. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I go like you. Okay, Oslave, I see you. I really do appreciate you for always sending in your donations. Okay, hi Thomas. Thomas is in the building. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so guiding you definitely. You just all you have to do is keep coming through. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. Oh dear, we have a closing a loss. So keep coming through every single day. And whenever you have a question concerning trading, please do not hesitate to ask. And then also let me keep knowing how you're progressing, how things are on your end. All right. We keep chatting whenever I am here. Feel free. It's always our time. It's always our platform for us to know all that we need to know about trading. So do not sit back and feel like maybe you should not ask in a question. Shoot in any question that you have. All right, Thomas? So please, I'm here to give you guidance. I'm here to help you through where I can, all right? So please do not hesitate at any 1 second, right? So Raphael is asking, why does it look simple and understandable when you are trading, but when I'm trading, the market seems to change the game against me? Yes, do you know why that is happening? It's happening because you have not mastered the game. You have not yet mastered the skill. Okay, so that's why I was saying that we need to keep consistent. If I'm using pure price action as my strategy, which strategy are you using? And if you are using that particular strategy, it doesn't mean that what I'm using is what you should use, all right? But I know you have done your studies or you are still learning. So that simply means that give it time, give it time, be consistent, learn, understand, practice it, all right? Be consistent. When you are consistent, it becomes easier, it becomes better, okay? It becomes better. Let me tell you guys, it's 5 years down the road, but one thing you should know is that I cannot say it has been a smooth road. That I cannot say that, all right? I cannot say that it's a smooth road for me or it has been a smooth one. That I cannot say. But what can I say? I can say that at some point I reached a point and I'd given up. That's the truth. I'd given up. But that's where the consistency comes in. If you have mastered a certain strategy that you are going to use, let's say support and resistance, whichever strategy that you have found peace in, be consistent in using it. All right. And then there are those factors that you should stick to. Trust me, if on my end, if I'm using pure price action, all right, and then I know that I have to understand how the market moves, I have to understand market structure, how the candlesticks behave, all right, and you practice that for a whole year, really, really, really. You're practicing the same strategy for a whole year. That way, you will find out a lot of things. You will keep improving every time you enter into the market. You keep improving, you keep doing better with yourself rather than jumping from one strategy to another. All right. If you are jumping from one strategy to another, you are jumping from one trading plan to another, things are going to become a bit tricky, a bit hard for you. That's why you're going to find that things are not shifting, things are not moving. Try to be consistent for a certain period of time. If you have made a study and you know that this is how this works, stick to it. And then after a certain period of time, not just 1 week, 2 weeks, no. If it is 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, you're still fresh. Okay? You are still fresh. So that is some piece of advice that I can give you. The reason that's why you see it being simple for me here. It wasn't simple in the beginning, like I've told you. It wasn't. But practicing, being consistent, you achieve. Over time, you achieve. All right. So that's one thing I can say. Okay, Pius is still asking for the time frame. The chart time frame is 15 seconds. That is the time that I'm using. Then for the candle close, that is 5 seconds. All right, Pius? Yes. Okay, so perfect deep sleep Polly, my favorite name for the day. Which material helped you get better in trading? Um, Truth be told, when I was starting to learn how to trade, I did not have a lot of sources of learning apart from my friends. It was actually my friends that helped me. They're the ones that guided me in trading, how to do things, how to do this, when to uh, when to hold on, when to do this and that. It was my friends that guided me. Like I gave a full background of my trading. So it was my friends. Then my brother also came through. He used to come through, but for him, his teaching was rough. And at some point, he thought maybe it's a must. I should be knowing what to do. But the people who guided me properly were actually my friends, all right? So, but then you find that, okay, over here, when we come for this session, we learn a thing or two. Then, of course, There is always a lot of information out there. Okay, there are certain books. You find that there are people. Okay, me as a person, by the way, let me tell you this. Me as a person, I would prefer sitting down with someone and they show me what to do, all right? And they show me what to do rather than reading and all that. I'm not a reader. Yeah, that is actually, yeah. I'm not a reader. I'm not someone who is going to, okay, I'm not a reader. Let me just leave it at that. So I'm someone who will sit down and stick on you to show me exactly what I have to do, how I'm supposed to go about it. But for people who are readers, there is information. I believe there are books out there. There are certain platforms as well for learning. But on my end, that is how I went through it. Okay, it was the guidance of my friends mostly. Yeah. Okay, so Raphael Solena, did you start directly on binary options or did you start somewhere like Forex? I was a crypto trader. I was a crypto trader for actually some very good time. I was a crypto trader because the people who were teaching me how to trade were crypto traders, and my brother as well is also a crypto trader. All right. After some time, we landed onto the beautiful binary options. Oh, I was like, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? So right now, it's all I have. It's my sweetheart. Okay. All right. Let's go. Oh, oh. Mm, mm, mm. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry, I was just trying to reboot something. So that's why I had done that. But now we are into it. Though on our second attempt, I've made a loss. So sorry about that. But let us proceed. One thing that disturbed me so much when I was starting to trade was the fact that I did not have knowledge about risk management. I was told about it, but at some point I felt like the market is my brother or my sister that it will feel pity for me. Not until I learned that whether you make 1,000 losses or 1 million losses, for as long as you have not learned exactly what you're supposed to do, the market has no feelings, all right? It has no feelings and it does not care whether you die, whether you collapse, and whether what, I don't know. It does not care because I mean, it's not human. It's not human. So what we have to do is understand what we have to do in the market. Risk management, very, very important. All right. Risk management, very, very important. So at least from there, having a trading plan, having a strategy that you're using. Over here, as you can see on my chart, I have indicators, but I'm not someone who relies on only the indicators, all right? I also have a strategy that I use. Beautiful. So we have closed in a plus. So today people have decided one attempt, two attempts. Okay, but I see shadow over there. 6 attempts. Let us go. Straight up from nothing we go up. No need to win. The proof is in the paper. Okay, so that is for we take car. No, we alright. Eh, 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 eh. We are Bitcoin wallets. Congratulations, White Taker, White Taker. Okay. To this guy. That is Mystic. No, you're right. Next, we shall be having Mystic 350 US dollars 2 items. No, you're right. Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you, Godwin. Thank you so much. That is Rogers. Hi, Rogers. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you join us. Make me already. Okay, that is Trading Jane Ford. Hi, how you doing? Thank you for joining in. Okay. Okay, you're joining in from Spain. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. By the way, I had really made a decision to learn Spanish. Trading Jane Ford, you know that we would be here speaking Spanish, but I reached in the middle. I reached in the middle and I stopped there. But actually, that is speaking Spanish. That is the one thing that I really wanted to know, right? But I reached in the middle and then I don't know what happened. I really don't know. But see, my people, I would actually be good at it by now because that is some many years ago. Okay, so that is our first plus. Let's go. It's a Friday, but we are taking it one step at a time. Let's go. Okay. Oh goodness. No. The buyers should behave. Okay, let's go. Okay. Raphael. Raphael, I can actually sing in many different voices. At some point, I also don't notice, but it happens. Leave me behind. Mhm. Okay. So that is a congratulations to Mystic. Uh-oh. Make me a radio. Turn me on when you feel low. Okay, so mastic, that is a still. Bitcoin wallets. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Entertainment. For my own entertainment. Okay. I don't know how to sing, but actually I love singing. Right? I love singing, but I don't know how to sing. We keep going. Okay, so Shadow, 350 US dollars, 6 items. Okay, so that one we are taking it for 6 items. We are in consolidation, as you can see over there. A tricky situation to enter into the market, all right? You always have to first wait and let the buyers and the sellers, let them agree, all right? But for someone who knows how to trade in the consolidation, you go ahead. Hi Joshua, hi, how you doing? Hope you're good. Okay, so are we breaking above or we are still? Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, so the buyers have taken over, That is a beautiful plus over there. Okay, perfect. How long have you been trading, my dear? I've been trading for 5 years. 5 years plus. 5 years plus. 5 years plus. So when I keep singing, be consistent, a whole year of learning and practicing how to trade, practicing your strategy, learning the skill is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay. You find that, like I keep saying, we get certain things differently, or we might be understanding differently. So you find that maybe someone can even take 2 years. Okay, other people are young like that. Okay, so the fact that we are different, take it one step at a time. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, we are doing okay. So far, so good. Okay, we keep going. I will say right now we are left with 3 items.
rest of the joy you bring. So, them other girls can go. They don't make me feel so calm. Cause with you, girl, I'm losing control. Oh, now I wanna do it up. So party it up. So bad, spend it up. So bad. So the whole world knows my love for you. So bad, my heart is so big. My love is so big for you, for you. I want to do it so big, 'cause girl, we are so big. Let's pop them bottles.
Okay, by position for us over here.
We got that love so big. Let's make it blow so big. Let's blow it up so big.
Okay, let us keep it going.
She got your boy doing crazy things that I never thought I'd ever do. No,
Taking it one step at a time. Okay, so bad, so bad, no right. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Why such a big spike when we are moving in the opposite direction? Okay, so the sellers have kicked us out. Not good at all. Not good at all. So Shadow, my sincere apologies over there. My sincere apologies. We've not made it to the 6 atoms. Okay, so perfect. It's asking me, have you been trading binary options all along for 5 years, or you switched at some point? Yes, I switched at some point. My start of trading, I started with crypto trading. All right. I started as a crypto trader. Yes, because everyone around me was a crypto trader. Everyone that I learned from, the people who are guiding me were all crypto traders. So, it becomes easier to learn what people already know. Okay. So, I was introduced actually at some point when I started trading, I thought it was only a crypto that exists, I thought it was only crypto that everyone trades, everyone knows, and all that. So after learning all that I needed to learn and actually becoming profitable in my crypto trading, after some time, that is when I switched. All right. That's when I switched to my darling. Okay. My darling binary options. Okay. Okay, Godwin, I've switched. It's back to 15 seconds now. Thank you so much. I switched actually that time when it was at that 2 minutes, as you saw. That is when I'm trying to buy some time. I'm trying to buy some time. Okay. Okay. How long I've been trading binary options? It's actually it's coming to 3 years, or I've made 3 years around there. I've been in it for a while. I've been in it for a while. So at some point, maybe that's why you find that it doesn't really give me a hard time, because at least now when I look at my charts over here, I know exactly what is happening, what is going on. So that thing of market direction where I was talking about, maybe if someone is a beginner, you can switch charts and you see what is happening in a bigger or in a higher time frame, which for my case here is usually 5 minutes. But on my end, it's okay. I can know exactly what to do. Once you buy, I can know exactly what to do minus switching. But that was just an advice that I gave to my brothers and sisters who are just beginning with this journey. Because when you are in a higher time frame, it gives you a clear picture of what is going to happen in a smaller time frame. Mhm. You'll be right upon me. Okay, so okay, beautiful. That is for Virivan. Goodness, guys. Okay, let me just say Viri. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is 2,000 as our take profit. I want you back for good. My fire, desire. Okay, that is Sun over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Right about now, I'm actually in my donations. I'm trading for people, but it's because you have come in at this particular time. I always explain and talk about my strategy. The strategy that I'm using, that is a pure price action, all right? And what I always look out for, that is the direction that the market is taking, because I trade with the trend, or I trade with a direction, so I do not go against it. Then I also look at market structure, all right? Market structure, then I also have to understand what exactly is happening or how the candlesticks are behaving before I place in a trade. All right, so that is the strategy that I'm using. Then also the indicator, that is the alligator indicator that you're seeing up there, it backs up my my strategy. Okay, so that is Lorian, 700 US dollars, 2 items. Okay, so that is our first attempt, and we have a plus. Today, very many people are going to enter